What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today we're gonna talk about Neo. Oh, I love Neo, man. It's such a great investment opportunity. I'm gonna go over a little article that I found that just for me personally, man, I just love the title: Three stocks that turned $100,000 into $1 million in 2020. Obviously, it's already past tense. That's what your money could have been just in this year alone. But I want to get into what do I think that means for the future. I want to get into forecasts for the future and just the fact that Neo is starting to heat back up again, man. And I think everything is setting in place for 2020 to be a beautiful year for Neo, man. But before I do that, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, anything stock market, finance, or mindset related. So, that's being said, man, let's just get right into it. So, as you can see, this article came out a couple days ago. Three stocks that turned $100,000 into $1 million in 2020. So, meaning that if you had invested $100,000 earlier this year, your $100,000 would already be $1 million this year. So, let's just get into the quick Neo one, man. Neo, man, I even love their cars, man. Their cars are so fucking slick inside and out. I don't really care for this color, but if I had this in black or white, you feel me? Give this to me with black rims with some peanut butter inside. Ooh, that'd be lovely. Or give this to me with white. You feel me? White with black rims and some. Give me some red interior for that one. You know what I mean? But that shit's clean. Neo. $1.04 million plus 944%. Okay, in case I haven't driven the point home by now for bad puns, EV stocks have been sizzling hot in 2020. Had investors chosen to invest $100,000 into China-based Neo at the beginning of the year, they'd have a little over $1 million as of the past weekend. The buy thesis for Neo is similar to the one for Blink. The main difference is that Neo's manufacture premium SUVs. Also, it focuses on the largest market for EV consumption in the world, China. In October, the Society of Automotive Engineers of China predicted that the new energy vehicle sales in China would jump from 5% to overall sales in 2020 to 20%. I mean, that's 300% jump in 2025. By 2035, half of China's new cars sales are expected to be EVs or hybrids. So half of that market in 15 years. And I'm really going on 14 because remember, we're going into 2021. So, I mean, that's not too far out, man. Neo has certainly seen demand for its premium SUV pickup this year. In the 6-month period between April 1st and September 30th, the company delivered a tad over 22,500 EVs, which is more than it delivered in the entirety of 2019. It also recently launched its EC6 premium SUV crossover. Again, man, as you can see, that is more than 2019 alone. Continued dominance and growth, man. Their growth rate is ridiculous. I mean, that only says great things for the future to come, man. To drum up EV interest and brand loyalty, Neo also introduced a battery as a service program in August. This program will reduce the initial cost of its vehicles in exchange for enrolling buyers into its BaaS program, which will cover battery replacements and future upgrades. It's a smart way for the company to trade off some upfront vehicle margin in favor of much higher and more predictable subscription service margins over the long run, which is extremely smart. So instead of someone buying the battery, they're going to charge them a monthly price just to switch out their battery. They're going to charge you monthly. So anytime you pull up to your swap station, swap out your battery as much as you like. And in the long run, that's going to cover the $10,000 cost that they're going to reduce for the replacement. So you could buy the car with the battery and pay $10,000 more. Or you could just rent that battery, get a minus $10,000 on your price ticket. You feel me? Take your car home with your battery, pay $140 a month, roughly in that area. I mean, come on, man. And like they said, that is the smart play for the long run because eventually you're going to cover the cost in the long run and then you're going to start exceeding profits on top of that. Still, Neo is valued at a frothy $57 billion market cap. While the company is now swimming in cash and its capacity has bumped upward, its production and income statements don't even come close to mirroring a $50 billion valuation. It could be a while before investors' emotions and Neo's operating results are on the same page. Again, man, everyone's just looking forward. So it's extremely smart for me personally. When you dig deep into this company of Neo, Neo is a fucking great investment. Period. I mean, everything about this company. I truly believe by sometime at the end of next year, in a 12-month, will be 10 times your money right now. So we're roughly trading at $46 a share right now. And I truly believe in 12 months, this stock will be 10 times your money. Just to put it in perspective, if we go to CNN Business Forecast, Neo Inc., as you can see, stock price forecast, the 15 analysts offering a 12-month forecast for Neo have the medium target of $327.39, with a high estimate of $394.93 and a low estimate of $104.51. The median estimate represents a 611% increase from the last price of $46. Again, man, $46 right now. They're predicting in this area. And I just want y'all to realize too, man, when we're talking about analysts, typically analysts are, a little bit on the bearish side. You feel me? They want to be a little conservative. But me personally, man, they were being conservative this year as well. And we blew past all the analysts' estimates. And I continue to see that because we're going to continue Neo's growth alone. Every quarter, I still seeing their growth going the same way it has been year over year, 100% growth, quarter over quarter, 100% growth. I'm going to continue to see those growth rates. Me personally, that's what I believe. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I just like researching and analyzing shit. So you feel me? That's what I believe I'm going to see. I truly believe in 12 months that we're going to be at a 10x from today's $46 price. So that means I believe we're going to be over this $394. I believe we're going to be somewhere around $460 to $500 range. That's what I truly believe. So do I think Neo is still a buy? Of course it's still a fucking buy. I've even bought shares close to 46. I think I was bought more shares at 44. So again, man, Neo, man, extremely bullish on Neo. My thought process and my predictions on this stock are only going to continue to go higher. I still see, if you purchase right now, I still see you 10xing your money in the near future. And then, like we said, when you go into this article and you really talk about what's going on in 2025, and then by 2035, in 5 years, I could see the stock up in the 1,000 range. And then by 2035, I see it right there up with Tesla. Before Tesla did its split, Tesla would be roughly about $3,000 a share right now. So I mean, I could very well see that there 15 years from now. So just imagine you purchasing shares right now, any young investor, because it's kind of hard to say for an older investor or people that want to put their money into a retirement. Yeah, if you want to retire in 5 years, you'll still get a great return. 15 years, it's kind of a little bit long. But again, man, I mean, that's still a great investment regardless. I don't see anybody losing money, period, if you hold on to this thing for the long term. But definitely by 2025, I could see this thing in the 1,000. And then definitely by 2035, I could see it right up there with Tesla. Like I said, Tesla before the split, Tesla would probably be trading roughly around $3,000 per share right now. So if you just do the math on it, just a small investment. Let's see. So if you bought 100 shares at $46, that's a $4,600 investment. And then if it reaches that $3,000 level, boom, you're a little less than $5,000 will be close to $300,000. When you put it in that perspective, I'm not going nowhere with my shares, guys. I'm holding on to Neo for the long run, man. Everything about this company says buy me. When it's this easy, when you can look into the revenues, when you look into the chart pattern, when you look into the people involved in this company, I mean, it's like an easy layup, man. So you know what I'm saying. So just want to do a quick analysis on Neo, my thought process on the forecast to come. I still think this is still a little conservative, to be honest. My opinion, though, right? So you feel me? This is just a great hold for the long run. 5 years, 10 years, 15 years from now, you're going to be banking on Neo, and I don't see that happening. And then, not to mention, their contract with China for their charging and swapping stations, which I had mentioned in a previous video that I made. So make sure you check out those videos as well. But again, man, it's just great things. So this company is not only going to be great in the EV market as far as car sales, but then also the sale of the swapping technology and the charging stations that they have contracts already with the government. So you feel me? Just more catalyst to propel this thing to the top. And I see them being at the very top of all the EV players in China eventually. If not the very top, they're going to be a top three, period, regardless. And they're going to be up there as a global player as well, moving into Europe now, and then potentially moving into the US. Um, you know, so we'll see, man. Well, I'll keep you updated on what I find and what I find interesting. So again, man, if you watch this far, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think your 12-month forecast is going to be for Neo, man. Will it cross this 394? Will it be at the 100? Will it be in the medium? Will it be beyond that like I think it will? Let me know what you think, your forecast is for Neo 12 months from today. I would love to see that in the comments, and I'll reply to anybody as soon as possible. Again, man, you can't stop mafia. It's a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance, man. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So that's going to be it for Neo today, guys. I'm extremely bullish on it. 10x your money in 12 months, man. 10x your money. You feel me? That's what I truly believe, man. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.